Welcome to On Tech Set. Today, I'm going to show you how to install Deepin V23, the latest release of the stunning and user-friendly Deepin Linux distribution. Whether you're new to Linux or just looking for a beautiful desktop experience, Deepin V23 has something for everyone. Let's dive in. Step 1. Download Deepin V23. First, we need to download the Deepin V23 ISO. Head over to the official Deepin website, where you can find the latest version under the download section. Make sure to choose the correct version for your system. Step 2. Create a bootable USB drive. Once the ESO is downloaded, you'll need to create a bootable USB drive. You can use tools like Rufus on Windows or Etcher on Linux. Just select the ISO file and your USB drive and let the tool do the work. Step 3. Boot from the USB drive. Now, insert the USB drive into your computer and reboot. Make sure to select the USB drive as your boot option. You'll be greeted by the Deepin installer, which has a sleek and intuitive interface. Step 4. Install Deepin V23. You'll need at least 64 GB of disk space. Choose your preferred language, time zone, and keyboard layout, and create your user account. If you're dual booting, be sure to select the appropriate partition for installation. Step 5. First boot and initial setup. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer. Remove the USB drive, and you'll boot into your brand new Deepin desktop. The first thing you'll notice is the beautiful interface, with sleek animations and a modern design. Step 6. Explore new features. Deepin V23 comes with a host of new features, including Wayland support for a smoother experience, the new Ling-Long package format, and AI-powered tools. And that's it. You're now running Deepin V23. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Linux content. Let me know in the comments what feature you're most excited about in this release. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.